Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series gauge package for the 2002 to 2007 Subaru WRX and STI. In this particular package, you're going to get a 30 PSI Boost vacuum gauge, an oil pressure gauge, and an oil temperature gauge, all featuring a black face with a tinted lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog Boost vacuum gauge with a color change button on the front, a 52mm analog oil pressure gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog oil temperature gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, full color installation instructions, a 6-foot silicone boost line, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness for your oil temperature gauge, a 2-foot power harness for your oil pressure gauge, an oil filter sandwich plate adapter with port plugs, an inline boost T-fitting with hose clamps, an oil temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a WRX clock power harness adapter, an oil pressure sensor, mounting brackets and hardware, dash pod mounting hardware, a WRX triple gauge clock replacement pod, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.